What's good, y'all? It's KJ here with the Urban Fruit Forest. You guys are out here at my tropical backyard fruit forest. I'm going to be giving you guys pretty much a quick rundown on my why and the reason I pretty much invested a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into growing my own backyard tropical fruit forest. So I would say I'm about a little more than 2 years into this. I've been growing tropical fruit trees for a little over 2 years, and I would still say I'm still embarked. This is still just the beginning of my journey, right? So a big reason why I do this is pretty much just for overall better quality in life. Believe it or not, getting out, getting into touch with nature, you will really find a side of yourself that you never thought you had before. So I first started this growing dragon fruit, probably one of the best fruits out there. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. If you haven't tried one, do not go out to the store and buy one. Find someone local that's growing it and try one of them. So a big reason why I've gotten to growing tropical fruit trees and just growing in general is just to get in touch with nature. Getting in touch with nature has helped me find a side of myself that I would have never thought ever existed, right? So getting out has pretty much helped me mentally, physically, spiritually. You guys may not know this, but even you are a part of nature at the end of the day. If you look at a lot of the famous quotes that we use today, birds of a feather flock together, apple doesn't fall far from a tree, you reap what you sow. All of those sayings correlate to nature, right? And they correlate to you at the end of the day. So a lot of the things you guys do on your everyday basis, you plant seeds, you gotta water them, you water those seeds, and then if you take care of it, you put it in the right environment, guess what? You get to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Same thing out here. So it's pretty much just shows you, yeah, everything just comes full cycle, right? Everything comes full cycle. So for example, I just started off growing fruit trees, right? I started off with dragon fruits, and I know you see these chickens back here. I'm about to go into how I ended up getting those. So I started off with dragon fruit. I don't know if you guys use fertilizer, synthetic or organic, but I use chicken manure to grow my dragon fruit. I was going to the box stores buying bags of chicken poop, and it just wasn't sitting right with me. I was like, why am I paying for chicken poop? It just didn't sit right. So I was like, you know what? I did a little research, figured out where I could find a couple hens, went ahead and grabbed a couple hens, right? Haven't bought chicken manure in probably well over a year. So I'm just out here, got boatloads of chicken manure, infinite amount of chicken manure. Guess what? Comes full cycle. These chickens lay eggs for me. These eggs produce food for my family, food for my neighbors. These eggshells from the eggs, we break those down. Guess what? We feed them back into the soil. It comes back full cycle. The soil that I feed these eggshells with give me fruit. I give these fruit to my family, my neighbors, the chickens, and it's just all full cycle. Same thing with life. So with life comes with ups and downs, but just we gotta remember it's full cycle. It comes with its highs, it comes with its lows. We just gotta figure out how we can just average out those highs and lows and maintain, stay steady. So I've been doing this for almost well over 2 years now, and I'm still during the beginning of my journey, which is why I started this channel, so you guys can embark in this journey with me. And as I'm learning and teaching you guys can follow and you guys can learn and teach others throughout this journey too. So I really appreciate you guys tapping into my channel, and I hope you guys find a lot of good information that you guys could benefit from.